We're going to show you how to properly remove a bandage from a dog's leg. The first thing you need to do is hold the dog down. A great way to do this is hold their middle and then to hold their head while the person who's cutting holds their leg while they cut.
For this procedure, we will be using bandage scissors. You will need to start at the top of the bandage, pull it up just enough where you can get your scissors started to cut, and slowly take off the top layer of the bandage. Once you've done that, remove the first layer of the bandage and set it aside. Lift up the second layer and start cutting.
Another way to phrase the way of cutting is the proximal end to the distal end. This side would be proximal and this would be distal. When you're cutting, make sure you use small incision-like cuts. Don't cut big chunks at one time.
Once you're done with that layer, remove that layer of the bandage. Now you're down to the last layer of the bandage. That is the last layer of the bandage. Once you're done with this procedure, you need to throw away the rest of the bandage.
From here, you need to contact your veterinarian for other information on how to take care of your dog. Thank you.
Today we are giving a bandaging shot to a horse that is 1,100 pounds. Which equals to 498 kilograms. Our label tells us to give 1 milliliter per 45 kilograms weight, which equals to 11 milliliters.
First, you need to select your syringe and needle, and so we're using a 22 gauge 1-inch needle and a 12 milliliter syringe. So we've already prepared a label, but you need to include on your label the title of your drug, which we're using Banamine, the amount you're giving, which is 11 milliliters today, the date, the name of your animal, and your initials.
To get the drug ready, first we will need to clean the drug vial. And usually we would get a cotton ball and put some alcohol on it and clean it, but since we do not have alcohol with us today, we're going to use an alcohol prep pad. So we will clean this like so, and then we will give this to our ace veterinarian that will give the shot to the horse.
Okay, so first you're going to take this bottom part off. Okay, so you're going to take your cap off, and pull some air out, and inject it into the bottle so you can be able to draw stuff out. And then you're going to need to be able to draw out the amount you're giving, which is 11 milliliters. And once you have that measured, you need to push all your air out until a liquid comes out the top. And then you're going to need to, in order to get into the vein, you need to hold down your vein until the vein pops out. And then you're going to need to go into the vein like so, and then push all of your drug in